behind your jacket. Oh my word! This is great, man. Oh yeah.
That is good.
We were right in the middle of it. That was so funny. Oh! Yeah, right at it. Yikes!
We're in ground zero.
Oh my word, they're falling all around us. This is so funny. For those of you back home, we were in the middle of the fireworks. This is, I'm sure, abiding by all OSHA rules and regulations. That is incredible. That was really cool.
Really cool.